And now it is pirate night here aboard the Disney Magic. Look at this. Arr. Let's take a closer look. Woo, it is windy tonight. Look at Mike's outfit here. Arr. Arr. And my favorite pirates.
The party mooper.
It's me, your old pirate pal, Mickey Mouse.
Yes.
Our Pirates in the Caribbean party is about to start. And I just wanted to tell you that no matter what happens tonight, I'm on your side.
We are back at Animator's Palette since it's pirate night. They have all the Mark Davis sketches out for everyone to enjoy. Holy cow. Look at the sketches of what the ride was going to look like in their minds, and they nailed that one. That's the ending of Disneyland. Ooh, and tonight it's Pirates of the Caribbean menu. And this is the menu. See if you guys can pause it.
So family. This little friend is the
This is the bread service tonight. Some cornbread and rolls and a mango dipping sauce. We've got a crab cake here.
Somebody's got to eat the soup.
And this is the jerk chicken. Came back to the room to change after Pirate Night, and look at this guy. Here's some coins. On here, some chocolate coins. It's really windy. Everyone say hello.
Hey.
We're watching a movie. Well, we're waiting for the movie to start here on the funnel vision, as they call it. There it is, the curse of the Black Pearl. This is pretty nice, sitting on the high seas, watching the ship on the high seas, feeling the high seas of the wind. Wow, look at these waves today. Pool's closed because of how crazy the waves are. Holy cow. We're rocking in here for sure. Big time.
I'll take the TV's for it,
Woo, it is windy. Like I'm talking, hold on to your hats. Windy. Gotta hold on to my phone while I film this. This is what we're dealing with here the last day at sea. It is extremely windy. Waves are extremely choppy. The pools are closed. It's cold. But I love it. Yeah, it's cold and windy enough to where no one is really out here. I wanted to step out here and watch the waves crash against the ship here. every now and then they'll smash pretty good waves. It's hard to really tell on the video here the size of these waves, but they're massive. Let me just say that. Let me just say that'd be some good surf. Side for me, like you were. And this is the very front of the ship right here. All the ropes and chains and everything in here. That's pretty neat. See it. I'm gonna show off some merchandise here. Look at this. Sail Away with Captain Mickey t-shirt. This whole area here is Sail Away with Mickey. And there's one here with Sail Away with Captain Mickey and Captain Minnie. Actually, X-Teen, I think, did all of these. And there's a cardigan here and pants that go with it. And there's a Disney Magic specific mug, hat. It's like a toiletry bag there. And take a look at this interesting print here with Mickey and Minnie on it. Yeah. Brett Iwan and Ashley X-Teen did this. Good for them. It's cool. And this is the big hit on the cruise, the Spirit jersey, the gold Spirit jersey. Let's see what's on the back. Oh yeah, it just says cruise line in all gold. And other artwork here. Take a look at the guys from Pirates. Some more Disney Cruise Line merch here and bags. Take a look at the bag. Oh man, there's like a trading pin right there. Limited release. And there's a charm necklace you can get, as well as one of the cruise ship. You can go for the bag here, but they have the ears the same front, as well as this ornament. Is that Captain Mickey on the front? Yeah. Got a bag here as well. This is a bag. Is this Duty and Burke? Or Loungefly, yeah. Loungefly. That's really cool. I love the colors. It's a little porthole. All right, tonight's dinner. Repunzel's Royal Table. Oh look, this is the menu here. Ooh, pretzel bread. And mustard.
Oh yeah.
Hey, good to see ya.
You're going to party?
See ya. Bye.
Alright, before we get started, we are going to play a little game of copycat. So why don't you do what we do with us? Very good. Next, we're going to add to that a stomp, stop, go. Clap, clap, stomp, stomp. Very good so far. The next thing we will add is a quack, quack, go. Clap, clap, stomp, stomp, quack, quack. And you finish it off with a nice, big, loud ruffian. Ha! My name is Hookman. And if you have trouble remembering that, I am the one with a hook for a hand.
Whoa. The beef ravioli.
I don't know why. When I went down just now, he was in my room.
Thank you. This is the apple strudel here for dessert.
cast of the Walt Disney Theater entertaining you all cruise long with 3 fantastic shows: Twice Charmed, Tangled, and tonight's Disney Dreams. And we have our pirates from our Pirates of the Caribbean deck party with Captain Hook and his swashbuckling crew. Now let's give a great big wave to some of Mickey and his pals. With Pluto, Goofy, Donald Duck, and the co-captains of Disney Magic, Captain Minnie Mouse and Captain Mickey Mouse. And let's all give a great big royal wave to our princesses. Princess Ariel, Repunzel, Princess Leia, so they head up over to the Marble for one final farewell moment. So please enjoy, everyone. Say hello to those.
See ya real soon. Why? Because we like you.
And the Pixie Dust from Tinkerbell. And farewell, Fiona. And so long, Cinderella. Very big farewell to Ariel. And Princess Belle. And a child for now, Pluto. So long, Pluto. And here she is, the diva of the Disney Magic, Daisy Duck. And of course, the #1 duck, Donald Duck. And let's give it up for our co-captains of Disney Magic, Miss Minnie Mouse. And what is that? We never say goodbye. What do we say instead?
That's that. Good night, everyone. Got the suitcase. Goodbye, Disney Magic. Time to head back to Orlando.